Greetings from Romania. We are Sara and Joni, and together we travel and live full time in that beautiful camper van. Good morning for the boggy, wet and cold camp. It's obvious we are in Transylvania because those foggy hills are so eerie, really beautiful. This always happens to us at some point of our travels, even we really hard try to chase the sun. It's cold and wet and miserable and we cannot do anything except watch movies in our bed. It's fine for 1 night or 2 nights, but then it gets boring. So we decided we start pushing south. Did you hear that? Even the sky turned a little clearer when I said that there is still somewhat good weather in the south, so I think we will start driving today. Long driving days are not fun.
It's a driving day. We're gonna drive through Romania to south.
6 hours driving. Ooh, we will escape this rain.
Oh, yeah. It started raining and it will be raining for the whole day.
Yeah, and this always happens during our travels. One day the weather just catches up and then we have to drive the whole day to get to somewhere where it's a little bit warmer and sunnier.
Yeah, we have turned to like Greek people. When it gets plus 20, it's like a winter jacket time. Yeah, use all our lays to buy a diesel to get to Bulgaria. Yeah, we always do this. If we change the country, we spend all the cash that we have. Usually diesel if we have like 55 euros this time in lays. So you can use every penny, so you don't leave any cash behind. We are at the river Danube.
We are in the southwest of Romania, not so picturesque place as Maramuresh in northern part of Romania or the Transylvanian area, which we absolutely love. This is more fieldy agriculture land, but we are next to the Bulgarian border, other side of the river.
Good morning from Danube River. We had a really cool night in here. It was quite a cool night, and still, even if we drove 300 kilometers, it's autumn. Oh, start of the winter. And while we were driving yesterday through the motorway, we heard this bang 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 noise from our roof. And it was our chimney that got broken. Actually, we broke the chimney like a month ago. On one large tree branch in the forest, and it was okay until now. So now the welds actually cave up and it started banging there. And otherwise our Balkan trip here was totally different than we thought. We were actually thinking about going to the Maramuresh and Brasov and all kind of places, but generally we just took care of things. So we fixed our van a lot during this trip. When you live in a van, there ain't day that there's nothing broken in the van. You have to just get used to it and fix them. And that is one of the things that might be stressful for someone who is stressing always when something goes wrong. Because it doesn't matter. You don't have perfect life in any way of living, in a van or in an apartment. But the way you deal with the things what comes ahead of you, that is the way of getting pleasant life. There ain't perfect life. There's always things that goes bad, and you just have to deal with them and also live with them. We are living with this autumn weather, or actually we are not living with it. We are taking care of it. We are driving south. So again, driving day through Bulgaria. Unfortunately, Bulgaria is like Germany for us. We just drive through it because it's bad weather and we want to get somewhere. So we will drive as long as it feels good. Goodbye, Romania.
We are saying goodbye. Beautiful, gorgeous country to wild camp. You can always park your van in the nature, which is absolutely one reason we love Romania so much. Yeah, now we are heading new country day.
It's a Bulgaria and we're just driving through because of the cold weather.
Yeah, we are escaping the cold, so this is the reality when you live on the road.
You just trying to chase the sun.
Yeah. And we did not go to the morning swim in Danube River because this part of the Danube is kind of filthy, the water, lot of antibiotics and waste, and it's not very healthy thing to do.
Poop.
Yeah, sewage also. And unfortunately Romania still has a lot of stray dogs, and if you're planning to come nice beautiful riverside camping, you might see,
you will see a stray dog.
and also dead dogs in the back. Somebody has drowned them in that river. We have seen them now several times, so it's just a sad reality here.
So if you are coming here and trying to save every stray dog, it's not possible.
We are entering border crossing soon, and there will be always a huge lines, and border is such a mess. We do have a few friends ourselves who refuse to travel this part of Europe only because they cannot stand these border crossings, because you have to wait in the line and everybody pushes and it's really chaotic. But because we have all the time in the world, we are relaxed as cucumbers and we can wait, and let's see how it goes. We always expect the worst, so then we are pleasantly surprised if nothing happens.
Yeah, 7 kilometers, 2-lane road turns into 3-lane road. That is basically what is happening on this border. You will see.
Just like that, we are already in Bulgarian side, rainy Bulgaria. There was 7-kilometer line
Of trucks.
Lorries.
And we had to actually use another lane to pass them. With the oncoming traffic, it doesn't matter. There's a 3-lane road on those days when the trucks are blocking our lane. Yeah. I'm already really good at driving there, because first time I was the one who were slowest, but this time I had a pack behind me using me as an example. Yeah, you just have to go double yellow lined, blocked lines anywhere, just go to the other lane. €6 for 1 week toll.
Yeah. And also we had to pay the bridge cross the Romania to Bulgaria.
Which was €6.
Yeah, so €12 spent already here. Well, yeah. But so much less cars here in Bulgaria than in Romania. But not very big scenic views, but highways and flat roads. suits us. Oops, a rookie mistake.
Maybe we are too relaxed because we were actually going to the mountain pass, which is 170 kilometers long, and we have just 9 liters of diesel left in our van.
So middle of the pass we had to turn back because the fuel light went on.
Maybe we are too relaxed sometimes.
Because we bought the Bulgarian vignette in the border crossing line, and now we just started driving mountain pass without any fuel in our tank, so this is getting expensive. We did drive to the OMV gas station yard and took a diesel. Diesel cost Bulgaria only €1.20 per liter, so how lucky we are. Also we stopped making some snacks. It's good to keep some pauses from driving, so your sugar level doesn't go down, because we did see 2 accidents on the road. It's a good reminder to us also to keep those pauses. There is snow in the Rila mountains. Boo! It's so cold there. We have to go south, driving south. We ended up underneath some random bridge next to the clear river. Weather is still awful and it's cold. We are still in Bulgaria. Joni has been driving all day, so he will take his power naps now, and I start cooking food for us. And then we will go to a hot shower and go bed early. And tomorrow maybe go to the hot baths here in Bulgaria. Me and Joni eat different foods. We also eat same foods, but not always. So I'm making myself a falafel, then salad and rice, and it takes only like 10 minutes. And then I start making these chicken drumsticks in an Omni oven, and it takes about 40 minutes chicken to be ripe. Any comments about the Bulgarian traffic, Joni?
Yeah, they always drive by the speed limit, always. They are like really precise with that, so it's pleasant to drive. Yeah, long day, whole day we drove.
अब हम क्या करेंगे beyond hindsight?
2 दिन पहले हम पर हमला हुआ, हमें दूसरे हमले के लिए तैयार रहना।
We downloaded the wrong version. It's a Hindi. We will watch a few episodes of the last week in season and then go bed early.
We did smash our chimney cap like I think 1 month ago, but Sarah wasn't ready to talk about it, so here it is. It was mangled by one tree. But thank God for internet and Google Lens. I just took a picture of this, put it in a Google Lens, and it told me a place in Bulgaria where I can buy it. So I'm gonna go and buy us a new chimney cap. Yes, I'll be back. I'm pretty sure that we bought the chimney hat from the same company like 6 years ago, because they are identical. Yeah, pretty nice. They had this one in stock, and they have also the chimney itself in stock. So if we need to replace a chimney in near future, we can come here or order it to Greece this winter, because usually chimneys and chimney hats here, they live like 15 or 20 years, but not when it's moving around and getting hit. Yeah, our chimney at the moment, it's like this inner tube is like doing this, so we might need to replace it in near future.
Now our log burner does not turn into aquarium. That was my biggest fear during the rainy days. Now we have a new shiny cap for it.
Tää on varmaan yksi kuumimmista.
No vai, eikö siksi kukaan tässä? Onko se liian kuuma?
Oh. Ketkä tarjoaa varjoa? Sulta vetkö kyllä pallit pois? Onko se vetkö pallit pois? Sunny Bulgaria, we came to the hot pads, and this time it was really hot. I don't know what has happened. Maybe they have opened a new hot spring that feeds the hot water there, because it was
too hot. You cannot be there too long.
It was 10 degrees more than last time.
Oh, like sauna.
Yeah, I think 40 degrees was the one that we were in, and there was 35 and even 55 was the first bath. But this seems to be like our tradition to come here to bathe before going to the Greece. But we have summer again. We have summer. We can be here without any clothes. It was totally different like 6 hours ago.
Yeah. We did succeed in the sun. See you in next episode. It's a new country day.
New country day, you know, it's our home.